Hey guys, Aaron here for the Love of Tech, and we are back, and today we are going to talk to you about the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE Fan Edition for everyone. This device, hands down, has captured my heart and my attention. This device took me by surprise. Let me explain. When I purchased this device, it was what I called a birthday present to myself. If you want to go ahead and see my previous video about the unboxing and my purchasing experience, go ahead and look at it right there. Ding! But I purchased this phone for $250. The reason is I had gift certificates, I had gift cards, and I had an additional 10% off for being a loyal Best Buy customer. So I purchased it at Best Buy and it cost me $250. That alone makes the device feel better. A little bit more easier to digest, if you will. And if you were purchasing it on launch, I believe they were giving me an extra $100 off. So this phone actually was coming in at $599 versus $699. And at $599, what a steal this device is. Now, I've had some time with the device. I've had an opportunity to get to know it. I've had an opportunity to put it through the test. I've had an opportunity to go into the world and actually use this device as my daily device. I need to share a couple things with you. First and foremost, this color is gorgeous. The worst part about putting a case on it is you're covering up that amazing color. Next, the screen resolution. Everyone who has picked it up says that's the best looking screen I've ever seen. Now, I'm here to tell you, on my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, that's a pretty impressive screen. It's nice, it's big, it's vibrant, right? My Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, pretty impressive screen. Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, pretty impressive screen. But something about this screen, something about it going back to the flatter panel, right? And it seems to be a trend as of 2020. We're moving back to thinner, flatter types of devices because we're able to figure out how to get the technology we need and want into smaller spaces. So this device is Samsung showing off. That's what this is. This device is showing you that we can give you a triple camera setup on a mid-range device. We can give you a 120 hertz screen refresh rate at a mid-range price. One thing I will say about this device is I don't think it has like really good fast charging based on just plugging it in and letting it sit there. When I plug this device in, and it has a smaller battery, I believe it's 4,500 milliamps, with this still pretty good size battery for a thin device. When I charge it in, the fast charging doesn't seem to be as fast as if when I charge in my Note or my Z Fold 2, or definitely not the S20 Ultra. That thing had crazy fast charging. But this device, the way it looks, the way it feels, the way it takes pictures and videos, the smoothness of the screen, I don't think there's one thing missing from this device. There is nothing that I could ask for that I don't have at this price point. If anything, I feel as if Samsung has over-delivered, over-promised, and now anything else that's going to come out is going to feel like a compromise. It's gonna feel like we're not getting our money's worth. So I feel like, in essence, Samsung has kind of shot their foot off on this one, because next Samsung's gonna come out with the S21, the S21 Plus, the S21 Ultra, or are they jumping to the 30s? I can't remember. We don't even know. But the point is this: after this device, where's Samsung gonna go next? So my thoughts, my impressions, if you are out there shopping right now and you're looking at the Samsung S20, S20 Plus, S20 Ultra, I beg of you to bypass those devices and go right to the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Aaron, I don't want to miss out on stuff. I need all my bells and whistles. I can't think of one that the S20 has that this one doesn't. I mean, maybe it doesn't have 30, 50, 100 times zoom. That might be like the biggest deficiency I can think of off the top of my head. Maybe when it records video files, the file size max is only 10 minutes, but the software in there automatically keeps recording, right? And you can just stitch those videos together as if nothing ever happened. Maybe if you look under the hood really, really hard, you might find a deficiency here or there or somewhere. But what I can tell you, there's nothing in this device that makes me think I'm not getting my money's worth. Now, when I think of my experience with the S20 Ultra, sure, it gave me endless content and videos to talk about the mix-up and the messiness and the bad autofocus and the updates, and they didn't get it right out of the box. They got this one right. So when you go and you open up your box to pull out your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, you are going to feel and experience something that you haven't felt or experienced in a long time. You're gonna feel like you owe Samsung money for the value you got for that device. Usually we feel like we're overpaying. We don't feel like that here. And that's how I feel. That is my review, if you will. First impressions is I beg of you to go out and get this device. If you are in need of a Samsung Galaxy device, if you are moving from iPhone over to Android, this is a great device to move over with. It does everything. The only thing you won't have is iMessage. iMessage is only a thing here in the United States. It's stupid everywhere else. No one else uses it or cares about it. Samsung has the Google Chat feature with their integrated RCS. So take advantage of that to get set up on Google Messages if you want. You can still see and chat with your friends in real time and see the little dots and when they're responding back and share high quality images and videos. So with that being said, guys, tell me what you think about this phone. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, I think, is a major winner of 2020. It might actually be, in my eyes, smartphone of the year. Yes, even above my beloved Galaxy Z Fold 2. I love that device and I use it every single day, but the price, the size, there are a lot of compromises with that device. This one, I don't feel like I'm compromising anywhere. Head down to the comments. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's have a discussion. Till next time, for the love of tech, namaste.